Welcome to all. Today we are to discuss one of the important thing. This is resemble with the nucleotide basis of our DNA or RNA. That is, the purine is the heterocyclic ring. We have to discuss today here in this session. The content of this today's session was the properties, preparation or synthesis, some chemical reactions and medicinal uses of the nucleotide base containing heterocyclic moiety, that is purine. In this purine, one ring is six-member rings along with fusion of five-member ring. Six-member ring is pyrimidines. This moiety is pyrimidine. 1,3 diazenes, that is called as pyrimidines, and five-member moiety is imidazoles. They fuse together and to make purine as a heterocyclic moiety. So let's discuss the properties of important heterocyclic moiety, six-member and five-member nitrogen containing heterocyclic moiety. Nothing but that's a purine. Purine, the properties of purine is like that. Purine is aromatic in nature. The structure of purine is like that. Six-member pyrimidines and five-member imidazoles. They fuse together with the junction of 4 and 5 position of pyrimidines, and numbering starting where the pyrimidines nitrogen presents. From six-member, the numbering are started. The number start with this pyrimidine nitrogen first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of this pyrimidine ring system, instead this numbering in the structures are going to anti-clockwise. Instead of this number, we have to go with this number. 1 goes to this nitrogen atom, 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6. Here 6. Then junction of fusion is 5 and 6. It is greater than the 4 and 5. That's why the numbering starting from this 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4 to 3 to 4, and 4 to 5. There is a junction which is fused with this aromatic, second aromatic ring, that is 5 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hydrogen containing nitrogen gives 9 numbers. So this is the numbering for purine. The numbering starting from 6-member pyrimidine moiety, then move with the 7 and 8, 9 number goes to the imidazole containing rings. In purine, all the atoms present in the purine rings are sp2 hybridized, and this ring is planar in nature. In this purine, the delocalized electron present in the purine moiety is 10. As per the aromatic criteria, compound should be cyclic in nature. Yes, purine is a cyclic in nature. Second criteria, alternate single double bonds. Carbon carbon single double bonds should be present in the systems. Yes, in this purine, alternate single double bond should be present. Means it obeys the both the characteristic related to the aromaticity. And third is most important, Haeckel's rule. It obeys the Haeckel's rules. That is 4n plus 2 electrons. Here integral number, put n is equal to 2. That is 4 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. If any systems having cyclic in natures, alternate single double bond, and obeys the Haeckel's rules, that compound should be aromatic in natures. In the purines, the delocalized electrons came from carbon 5, 5 delocalized electrons from carbon, 3 from nitrogen atoms of N1, N3, N7, and 2 from N9. Total 10 delocalized electron present in purine systems. Another property, purine is a weaker basic in nature, and due to the delocalization of the pi electron, it will produce the tautomerism effect in purines. If you see with this, one of the structure, 1H purines here, the purine present on first position of nitrogen, hydrogen is present on first position of nitrogens in purine rings. Second tautomeric structure is 9H purines, which is this one. This one is a more stable purine structure, 9H. And after delocalization of electrons, shifting of hydrogen towards the 7 positions and to make 7H and 3H. Total 4 tautomeric structure was formed. And out of this 9H purine is the most stable tautomeric effect, tautomeric structures. And after that, this one, 7. This is the first most stable and second most stable tautomeric structure, that is 9H purine and 7H purine out of 4 resonating structures. This is property related with the purines. Now we have to move with the some synthetic part related to purines. How will you prepare the purines? First method is a trivium synthesis. In this synthesis, 4,5 diamines, 4,5 diamino pyrimidines is the starting material. They react with the acid, that is carboxylic acid. It will form the cyclization of purine. 8 substituted purine was formed. Here, liberation of 2 water molecules during cyclizations and to make the bond and to give the cyclized product. 8 substituted purine is the final product was formed in tribosynthesis. In tribosynthesis, pyridine 4,5-diamino is reacted with the acid or formamides and to form dehydration product, that is purines, 8 substituted purines. Second method for the preparation of purine is from formamides. Formamides react with phosphorus oxychloride at 120 degrees centigrade. They undergo cyclization and to form the 9H purine, 2 amines. 2 amino 9H purine is the product was formed. This reaction is generally used for the purine. This is a laboratory synthesis. Formamide just heated at 120 degrees centigrade in presence of phosphorus oxychloride, oxychlorides. Third method to prepare the purine from the substituted imidazoles. Here the substituted imidazoles react with esteric part and to make the cyclized product in presence of sodium ethoxides and to form the most stable derivative of purine, that is xanthine formations. Here in this from substituted imidazoles, they react with the diethyl carbonate and to form the xanthine is a more stable form of the purine. Most stable derivative of purine is xanthine. In this way, you have to prepare the purines from tribosynthesis. In tribosynthesis, pyridine 4,5-diamines react with the acetic acid. There is a loss of 2 water molecules and to make the 8 substituted purine is a final product. Second, from formamides, Formamide simply undergo heated with phosphorus oxychloride to make 2-amino 9H purine is the final product. And third method to prepare from imidazoles react with the diethyl carbonate to form the xanthine. Is the most stable derivative of purine. That's why in this way you have to prepare the purines. Now we have to move with the reaction part with purine. First reaction is electrophilic addition to nitrogen atoms. Here all nitrogen atoms having the unshared electron present in the structure of purine. Here 7 position nitrogen, first position nitrogens, and third position. This 9th position nitrogens involved in delocalization of the electrons. So this 7 positions, 1 position and third positions, this nitrogens having lone shade of electrons, they undergo protonation. First electrophilic addition reaction to nitrogen is protonations. In protonations, the purines undergo protonations to form N1 protonated predominant hydrochloride, purine hydrochloride. This is the addition of hydrogen proton towards the lone pair of electron present on nitrogen atom at first positions. Then due to the resonance effect, delocalization pi electron, there is a shifting and to form the resonance structures at 3H, N3 protonations, then N7 and charge transfer to N9 positions. Out of that, this one is most prominent protonated product. Second electrophilic addition reaction is an alkylation. Why it is called as an alkylation? So it has the substitution of alkyl on nitrogen atom of purines. That's why it is called as an alkylations. Here for an alkylation, the alkyl substitution was occur on imidazole ring system, 5-member ring system, and to make the 7,9-dimethyl purinium salt. Here for n alkylation, purine undergo react with the methyl iodide, 2 molecules of methyl iodide to make 7,9-dimethyl purinium iodide was formed. And third, there is a oxidation in presence of hydrogen peroxide. It will form N1 oxide purine, that is N oxide 9H purine was formed. There is an oxygen inserted on first position because that having lone pair of electron on nitrogen atoms, the pyrimidine nitrogen gives addition of electrons on first position of nitrogens on purines. So this is first chemical reactions of purine is first protonation of purine due to the lone share pair of electron present in the nitrogen atom, they involved in the protonations. Second is N alkylation and third is N oxidation, N oxide formations. Now similarly, next reaction is electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Here for the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions, here we have to give the derivative of purine, that is xanthine. Xanthines undergo nitrations, it will form 8 nitroxanthines. For the electrophilic substitution reaction, the 8th position is most favorable positions or most possible position for the electrophile substitution. Apart from the 8th position, there is a no suitable position on favorites. So first electrophilic aromatic is nitrations. There is a nitro substitution at 8 positions on xanthine. Xanthine is the most stable derivative of purine. Most stable derivative of purine. that is xanthines. Xanthines undergo electrophilic substitution reactions. First is nitration. Nitrating mixtures, they undergo nitrations. There is nitro substitution at 8 positions to form the nitrated product, that is 8 nitroxanthines. Halogenations in presence of acetic acid, similarly 8 halo substituted product was obtained. That is 8 bromoxanthine was formed. Formation of azo compounds. If xanthines undergo react with the azo product, that is chlorophenyl azo compound, they react with the pure xanthine to form the azo compound. From this azo compound, react with the sodium thiosulfate, there is a formation of 8 amino xanthine was formed. In this way, you have to undergo the chemical reactions of the purine derivative, that is xanthine. Next reaction is nucleophilic substitution reactions. There is a displacement of nucleophiles on purine rings, where the displacement or substitution of nucleophiles, the best living group present in the purine rings, that is halides, which halide containing purines, which undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions. The nucleophilic substitution reaction is easily carried out by replacement of possible living group with nucleophiles and the substitution of nucleophile at 8 positions. For example, 8 chloro 9 methyl 9H purines undergo nucleophilic substitutions with sodium ethoxide. It will form 8 ethoxy 9 methyl 9H purine with formation of ethanol. Similarly, the 4 chloro purines, the 6 chloro 9H purine, which undergo nucleophilic substitutions with hydrogen hydrate, replacement of this chloro group with hydrogenyl group at 6 position and to form the 6 hydrogenyl purine as a final product, nucleophile substituted product. These are the some examples where the leaving group should be present on purine, then and only then nucleophilic displacement reaction was carried out. And the next part is medicinal use containing purine as a heterocyclic moiety present in the drug moiety. Here, for example, Vidarabins is an anti-cancer drugs, vinca alkolite. It having sorry, this is structure of six mercaptopurine is the examples. These structures of purine, 6 mercapto group is present on these purines. It acts as a anti-cancer drugs, anti-metabolites. This is a structure of, this is not a vidarabins, this is a structure of thioguanines. This is structure of guanines. Here, due to the structural resemblance of purines and guanines, instead of SH, this NH2 group is present in the normal nucleotide basis. Instead of this amino group, these mercato groups are entering into the DNA synthesis of the cancer cells and it inhibit the further growth of the cancer cells and act as a anti-cancer drugs. Another, apart from 6 mercato, thioguanines, as thiopurines. Another examples, antimetabolites, acyclovires, falconavirs, ganscolovirs, vidarabins. These are the all antiviral agents. This is the structure of vidarabins. And some methyl xanthines having the derivative of purine, that is xanthine derivatives. Examples are caffeine, stimulant, drugs, CNS stimulant, theophylline, theobromines. The structures of basic moiety of xanthines. Here the substitution of R1 and R2. R1 if CS3 group and CS3 group at R2, the structure is caffeine. For R1 is CS3 and 1 is R2 is a hydrogen. The structure is theophylline and theobromine. The structure is hydrogen and CS3. This all the drug methyl xanthine derivatives, they are generally used in the bronchial asthma and act as a CNA stimulant agents. These are some examples of purine containing heterocyclic moiety present in the structures. So the structure of vitarabins, 6 mercaptopurines, caffeines, theophyllines, and theobromines. And for the preparation of this presentation, these are the references I have to refer.